Hello and welcome to Priyanshu's pre-match analysis of IPL 2016. Game number 34 is what I'm going to talk about. SRH versus GL. These guys, they have met before, and in that game, SRH, they won the game by 10 wickets. Gujarat Lions scored 130 odd and SRH chased it down really easily. Today, SRH is chasing again. David Warner, he's coming on the back of a 92 against RCB. Ken Williamson, a really good addition after his injury. He scored a 50 just in the mold of Rahane. He likes to accumulate his runs, doesn't go for big shots, plays good cricketing shots. Couple of changes. Dwayne Bravo comes back in place of Faulkner, and Ishan Kishan, he makes way for the really bad bowler Pradeep Sangwan. Just in the mold of Jaydev Unadkat, this guy goes for runs. He doesn't get any swing. He doesn't move the ball, but he bowls at a better pace, which means good pace. The ball will come onto the bat, and SRH batsmen, they'll have a party. Gujarat Lions, they depend a lot on their top four. The two openers, they are explosive, but in the last two games, they haven't come good. And we have seen, if the openers don't come good and Raina doesn't score, they don't even get to 150. I believe SRH would like to contain them to 160 and then chase down the total really easily. They have brought in Yuvraj Singh today. Well, Yuvraj Singh, he hasn't played a game. He wasn't in the best of touches in World Cup. In IPL, his form has never been really good. But what he brings is his left arm spinners. It's a really good addition to the team. I hope Yuvraj succeeds today. SRH bowling, Mustafizur Rahman, well, he bowls really well. Bowling first, he would like that. He's enjoyed it. Ashish Nehra, he didn't have the best of the games last time around, but he's a really good bowler. Bhuvneshwar Kumar, he swings the ball up front. And the GL batsmen, they would like to take these bowlers on because that's what they do. They will go for their shots regardless of the merit of the ball. They don't play the ball as the ball should be played. They just want to hit fours and sixes. They don't take too many singles. BMAC, he doesn't have too much to lose. He has retired from international cricket. Next year, he might be sitting in the commentary box in IPL. So I don't really trust his batting anymore. Dwayne Smith, well, he plays one way. Just go for his shots. Aaron Finch and Suresh Raina, really important. They need to come good today. Dinesh Karthik has been their best batsman in the middle order. He has scored runs, but he does score at a strike rate of 125, 130. That is not what you would want from a batsman who is going to come and bat in the 12th or 13th over. Ravindra Jadeja, he's failing with the bat and the ball. Praveen Kumar, he hasn't taken too many wickets, but he swings the ball around in the beginning. If he can get a wicket early on, then SRH might struggle a little bit. But Gujarat, they would like to post 175 on board. 160 odd is the average score on this ground. I see SRH winning this game and winning this game easily. They just need to get to the top three of Gujarat Lions and it's game SRH. I hope it's a contest, but if SRH does get 2 or 3 wickets early on, I don't see it as a contest. It'll be a one-sided match. David Warner, Shikhar Dhawan, he scored some runs off late. He's chaperoned really well by David Warner. David Warner goes at a great and brisk pace. Shikhar Dhawan takes his time. He can score 30-35 runs. Ken Williamson, well, I always trust his batting. Yuvraj Singh coming in. So they do have some batting to go on. And their bowling, they have been brilliant. One of the best bowling lineups in this particular tournament. So I see them restricting the Gujarat Lions to less than 160 and then win the game. So best of luck SRH. Gujarat Lions, I'm not a fan. So I hope you lose tonight. Bye-bye.